what do I need to go from Google Sheets to a working web app that does everything that my Google Sheets does? You just need to do it yourself. But you might ask, are you crazy? I don't know anything. Like, I don't know how to do the programming, or I don't know how to do the databases or anything like that. How do I do that? Well, while that is true that you know nothing probably in this area, and you probably already know things about Google Sheets, you need to not concern yourself with the infrastructure of how to set up the whole database thing, but instead focus on the simplicity of what needs to be done. So Google Sheets basically is what? Like a columns and data types. Like one column might be of type string, while the other might be of type integer or decimal, or choice of things, like a choice from a predefined list of items. How hard would it be, you think? It's quite straightforward, you know? We pretty much are here to get you to the point where you are comfortable editing and adding and changing and displaying and modifying your web app to the point where you're being productive. And while you might not be able to, do some crazy logic in it, you'll certainly be able to design your tables and relationships and link the tables with one another in a very straightforward and easy to understand fashion. So what's the easiest path of going from Google Sheets to the web app? Is to do it yourself. There you go. Thank you.